Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click continue. Now you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Here you can turn notifications, or you can click not now again, and here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue. And here you have to select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.